and welcome back to my channel. Hello, give me a tablet, Shemaya, so I can turn it down. Hello, how is all my beautiful people? And let's stay positive. This is my baby tablet. I am turning it down. Yeah, sorry about that. This is a hair unboxing video. I hope everybody is doing well, doing good in this rainy weather. And I have another video for you this evening. So make sure you stay tuned to see what it is. So I'm going to give you a little chit chat about this company. They reached out to me, which is an Amazon company, and they asked me to do a crochet video for their company, which I was willing to do as long as they sent me the hair. I sent them my links and everything. Y'all, they put me in a group chat. Somebody texts back, your business with the company should be your business with the company, which she was right, but the company is emailing everybody in group chats. I have a problem with that. Don't do that to me. Do not ever put me in a group chat. So I won't be reviewing nothing for their company. And yes, I will buy crochet hair if I have to. But I got this baby on Black Friday from Longqi Hair Company on Amazon. She's $92. And we're going to open her up, so I can show y'all what's in this box. Do not mind my hair. I brushed it back. I had to run out in the rain, so let's just enjoy each other's company, right? Mommy. So, this is the wig. I'm going to take her out the pack. Just give me a minute. They sent me some eyelashes, which are cute. I probably won't wear them, but they're cute. They sent me a wig cap, which I don't wear under any of my wigs. And that's it. So, let's open her up. I am going to just be unboxing. I will style her on my mannequin head in another video. And then I'm going to wear her. I'm going to show y'all. When I wear her, she was $92. I brought her during the Black Friday sale. And she is 20 inches long. And she's straight. I normally don't do straight, but I had to try it because this is what I do for my people. We have all these wig reviews from all these companies, and I need to know that they're telling y'all the truth. So the hair is soft and silky. It does have a net, which I'm going to put it back in. It doesn't have any kind of a smell to it. I just pulled this out of the hair. I hope y'all can see that. But I don't see no shedding. So, this is what she looks like. Like I said, I will be unboxing her. This is just my unboxing video for the hair. I will do a styling and installing video on her. But I have a fun video coming for you later on this afternoon around 7-ish. So, I hope y'all stay tuned. I'm going to come back with some lashes, fix up this hair a little bit, and we're going to have another video. At that time, you might want some wine. You might tell hubby to hold the kids down, because I'm going to make sure we can have some girl time. But again, do not email me to these companies that watch my videos. Do not email me to do a video that you don't want me to do. That's a waste of my time. I don't have the patience for that.
Mommy.
Yes, Shemaya. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy. See y'all loves later. Let me know if you started Christmas shopping, if you found any good sales or anything, because I'm a last minute shopper, because there's really no sales for me. My kids are different ages, it's no sales, and I'm like, eh. So let me know in the comments below if you found stuff, if you didn't. And I explained to y'all I don't do Vlogmas, so we're going to do these videos as they go. But I missed y'all. I gave y'all a hair unboxing video. So let me know if you like what you see. And if you do, welcome to my family and stay tuned. And make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Stay blessed, not stressed, and later loves.